Assalamualaikum dear viewers. This is Tanvir Ahmed, developer of Tanvir Trade Copier. Here I am ready to guide you about the proper uses of Tanvir Trade Copier. In the previous video, I showed you the uses of order close with true false button under function selection. In this video, we shall learn few important things which should be known for copier users. Let's begin. Starting copy trading. Before starting copy trading, you need to run master terminal and set copier into the chart firstly. Then you need to run slave terminal and set copier into the chart. Otherwise, orders may be copied or closed in wrong way. Stop copy trading. Likewise, to stop copy trading, you need to close master terminal first and then close slave terminal or remove copier from slave terminal's chart. Otherwise, orders may be copied or closed in wrong way. Master account change. To change master account from slave accounts, the current master terminal should be closed first. Then launch the new master terminal and set the copier into the chart using the new and unused server number. Then go to the input option of the copier running on the chart of slave accounts and replace the new server number and master account number. Setting change time. Do not change any settings while copier orders are running in the slave account. Any changes may cause problems closing of slaves copied orders according to the master orders. In slave mode, settings can be changed while all the copied orders are fully closed. Investor mode master. Slave accounts must have to be logged in with real password for copying orders from master account. Tanvir Trade Copier can copy orders to slave accounts from a master account even if that master account can be logged in with investor password. But it should be noted that copying orders from any manipulated investor mode account is not possible. Here, what I mean about the words manipulated investor mode account. If there is a confidential agreement between account holder and the broker that if his account is logged in anywhere with investor password, then that account will not show any running order into the terminal until that order is closed fully. Or running order can be shown into the terminal after long delay when that order is far distance from open price. Sometimes you can find such manipulated investor mode account details on various social media sites or on various websites through which they make their fund managing marketing. As a trade copier user, you should avoid this type of account to be copied. VPS is recommended. If you want to use copier robot, then I recommend you to use VPS. Because only VPS is the better opportunity for 24/7 stable and non-stop connection for your master and slave accounts and also for all accounts connection to broker server. If you search for a cheap rate VPS, then you can purchase from this link. Also, this link has been given into the video description section. And dear viewers, hope you enjoyed this video and learned all the things which I described. See you again. Thank you for watching this video.